a very tartar, and I forget to do the little ordinary thing that everyone ought to do. I'm living in a kind of daydream. I'm happy as a king and foolish, though it may seem to me. That's everything. The mere idea of you, the longing here for you. You'll never know how slow the moments go until I'm here with you. I don't... Why? What words? Words. Beautiful words. Look at this. You'll never know how slow the moments go until I'm here with you. Poetry. Pure and simple poetry. They don't have this nowadays. Nowadays, they just cut straight to the point. And nobody can get a hint. Cock it up, they got the red. Dirty one, hot walk, whatever. Put her on the head, Bella Roba, put her on the bed. Put him on the head, put her on the bed. What do I say? Dirty wine, my girl, dirty wine. Take it for the bathroom, take it for the floor, take it in the bushes. Come on. If I ever gave you guys Shakespeare, you'd go crazy. You can't even take a hint. And that's a beautiful thing about music, it's poetry. And what they're playing today is crap. It's not poetry. There's no thinking involved. That's the problem. People are using their brains nowadays. You know, whatever happened to mazes, puzzles. Like nowadays, when you watch TV, they give you the answers and you still can't get it. Remember Jeopardy. Jeopardy is good now. You give the A, B, or C, and you still can't get it. What a bunch of idiots. I saw a question the other day. A, B, blank, D. And the bastard still couldn't get C. It's C, A, B, C, D, and C come before D. What was I talking about? Forgive me. I have Alzheimer's. I get forgetful. And I do tend to go off on a rampage. So let's get down to business. Before we start Grandpa's Corner, I have to personally thank the Mad White Jamaican for giving me the opportunity for wholesome family entertainment, because ABC is watching us and that's wholesome family entertainment. So, as Grandpa, as the designated Grandpa for the show, I figured I'd give a little history about myself. I grew up in Jamaica in the early 1900s. Yes, this is way before motor cars. They had bicycles. Motor cars are just coming to the US, but if you had a bicycle, you were simply you just go down the street and you pick up your girl. You put the girl on the bicycle handle, and you know dilly-dallying going on. You're very proper. She was side saddle and everything. Very proper. So what were I talking about? Yes. Wholesome family entertainment. And that's me. I was a surveyor, so to speak. I used to survey the land. A lot of the land in Jamaica was surveyed by me. Yes, I did that. So anyway, back to wholesome family entertainment. This is great. I think it's beautiful that Mad White Jamaican has called me to do the show. I think it's a wonderful thing. And I don't know what could be more wholesome for entertainment than Mother Goose Rhymes. The producers of the show, the producers of the show has presented me with a book of Mother Goose Rhymes, and I will read it to you, to inspire the poetic mind. And please feel free to leave a comment about how poetic this program makes you feel, and also subscribe if you like. I couldn't care less. I'm doing fine by myself. So Mother Goose Rhymes. Yes, Mother Goose Rhymes. Which one should I read? There are so many. Let's start off with Georgie Porgy, Pudding and Pie. Georgie Porgy, Pudding and Pie kissed the girls and made them cry. Ooh, why? Let's reflect on that line right there. Kiss the girls. I remember when I was in my 20s, I didn't know about this girl. Her name was Dorothy. I think that, yeah, Dorothy was her name. I kissed her. Oh, it was like magic. It was beautiful. What did the line that said he kissed the girls and made them cry? I think Georgie Porgy had herpes. Kiss the girls and make them cry. Every time I kiss a girl, they don't cry. They smile. They love it. I'm a romantic man. Anyways, Georgie Porgy pudding and pie kissed the girls and made them cry. You herpes boy. When the boys came out to play, kissed them too because he was gay. I don't remember the story going like that. It sounded... It must be a misprint here. Somewhere here is misprinted. No, there. It says gay. A Batman book. Then give me a Batman. What the fuck? Who wrote this? Georgie Porgy put it on Kiss the Girl there when the boys came out of the because he was gay. Kind of Batman. Excuse me, sir. Proofread before you give it to me to read to these people. This is wholesome family entertainment. Forgive me, people. I can't take this. This is preposterous. Humpty Dumpty, that's a good story, good story. The thing about Humpty Dumpty, you know, it's a story about triumph. That all the king's horses and all the king's men, no matter how much money the king had, he couldn't put back Humpty together again. That means once you break something, you bought it, pretty much. So let's start it off and see if we can find the symbolism in there that's to do with rich and poor. Humpty Dumpty sat on the wall. Humpty Dumpty had big balls. All the king horses and all the king men wonder why I'm never have a girlfriend. Obviously what goes are the nuts without the tree, but look here, again another misprint. Excuse me? Sir, next time you bring a book to me, make sure you're proofreading it because the poor people out there, they can't be subjected to this stuff. Baba Black Sheep. Baba Black Sheep. Him did have a big hood. Yes sir, and give the gal good. Him give it to the master, him give it to our friend, him give it to the mumpy girl, and now our bodies bend. Does anybody else see a problem with this book? Excuse me, this is not wholesome family entertainment. What am I reading? Your goose is cooked. Mother Goose rhymes for adults, 18 and plus. This is supposed to be funny. You mean to tell me, Mr. Madwai Jamaican, you're using me as a propaganda? You can kiss my fucking old ass. Mother Goose rhyme. Mother Goose, a classic, you fucking Mother Goose. That's what you know, I'm here reading Shakespeare, the unedited version. What the fuck? Oh my goodness me, I'm going to have to talk to them. Tell my brother to make a live shoot up. What's it?